HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language, and it is the standard language used to create and structure the content of web pages. Think of it as the skeleton or structural blueprint of a website. It organizes the plain text, images, and multimedia so that web browsers like Chrome or Safari know exactly how to display them. It is important to note that HTML is a markup language, not a programming language, because it does not handle logic. The primary purpose of HTML tags is to define the structure, layout, and semantic meaning of content on a web page so web browsers know how to render it correctly. They act as instructions, wrapping around text, images, and media to turn raw data into interactive, readable websites. We will add various fields to this form like name, email, etc. Don't skip. You will be shown the output multiple times in this video. The purpose of placeholder is to display the content inside the field box on the web page. We will use the input type as email for the email field. Similarly, we have different types of inputs for various fields like date and time, range, color, or whatever you want. We can add placeholders for the easiness of the user, so that he can read and understand the purpose quickly. Till now we have not added any CSS element, so the web page is not looking kind of attractive. We will further add the beauty to this web page. We will link the CSS style sheet to this HTML document using the link tag, and then passing the name of the style sheet as address for linking. CSS, cascading style sheets, is mainly used to design, style, and control the visual presentation of web pages. While HTML builds the structure and skeleton of a website, CSS acts as the appearance, handling everything related to how the content looks to the user. Core functions of CSS: visual styling, applying colors, custom fonts, text formatting, background images, and borders, layout design, controlling the positioning of elements, margins, padding, and column structures using tools like Flexbox and CSS Grid, responsive web design, using media queries to make websites automatically adapt to different screen sizes, such as mobile phones, tablets, and desktops, animations, and transitions, creating visual effects, hover states, and smooth transitions without needing JavaScript. Now, you enjoy the time lapse of this beautiful website building. Also, if you want to make such beautiful websites, then subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment hearts, and when the video will get 100 comments, the next video will be on this website shown.